students, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today, in this video lecture, I am going to describe you the character sketch of Ziauddin Barani, the historian, in the play Tughlaq, written by Girish Karnad. This play Tughlaq is in the syllabus of BA Part 3rd English Literature, Paper 1st, Unit B. So students, this is my 6th video lecture on the play Tughlaq, and now today's topic is the character sketch of Ziauddin Barani, the historian. Character sketch of Ziauddin Barani, the historian. The main characteristics of his character are: introduction, as an orthodox well-wisher of the Sultan, bitterness against Najib, the Wazir, his courage to tell the truth, doesn't like violence, and then conclusion. Barani is a historical personality. He has been taken from history, but Girish Karnad has suitably modified his character to suit his dramatic needs. Barani is the great author of Tariq-e-Firoz Shahi, a native of Baran, modern Bulandshahr. He is a great scholar with great literary attainments. So Sultan Tughlaq, who himself was a celebrated scholar and lover of men of learning, patronized him. Barani wrote in the course of his narrative that for 17 years and 3 months he had received many favors and gifts from the Sultan. In the last scene of the play, Barani expresses his indebtedness to the Sultan. He said, "I have spent 7 years here, and greatest historians of the world would have given half their lives to see a year in it. Your Majesty has given me a gift." The first characteristic is Barani as an orthodox. Barani is an orthodox follower of the Holy Quran. Hence, the Sultan's visions and administrative innovations, which are deviations from the holy tenets, are not liked by him. On such issues, he condemns the Sultan and sides with the holy saints who uphold the Quran. Barani's sympathy is with Sheikh Imamuddin, who is the backbone of rebels in Kanpur. He agrees with the Sheikh who says that the Sultan is a disgrace to Islam. He condemns Tughlaq's bloodthirstiness. Tughlaq orders that an announcement be made to the effect that Shahabuddin has been killed while protecting the Sultan in immunity in the palace. So his funeral will be held in Delhi and will be a grand affair. Barani, who knows that Shahabuddin's death was managed by the Sultan, rightly remarks, "Oh God, aren't even the dead free from your politics?" Well-wisher of the Sultan. Barani is the Sultan's well-wisher who time and again advises him to desist from the massacre of innocent people. He advises the Sultan, "History is not made only in the statecraft. Its lasting results are produced in the rank of learned men. That's where you belong, Your Majesty, in the company of learned men, not in the market of corpses." Barani is very much pained at the charge that the Sultan has undergone. Barani is not much pained at the change that the Sultan has undergone. He reminds him of his ideals of public welfare. He says, "There was a time when you believed in love, in God. What has happened to those ideals? You won't let your majesty subjects pray. You torture them for the smallest offense, hang them on suspicion. Why this bloodshed? Please stop it, and I promise your majesty something better will emerge out of it." Barani is portrayed as the Sultan's well-wisher. He warns the Sultan against Aziz, who has disguised himself as Ghiyasuddin's, but the Sultan turns a deaf ear to what he says. Barani is right, but he has little voice in the then world of politics. His bitterness against Najib. Barani often expressed his bitterness against Najib. Najib the Wazir has compelled him to say that Sheikh Imamuddin calls the sultans a disgrace to Islam and that he is a murderer of his father and brother. He says that the Sheikh has incited the people of Kanpur to rioting. Barani wants to cool the Sultan down, and almost in a whisper he says to Sultan, "He said it in the heat of the moment, your majesty. I am sure he didn't mean it. He talks of your courage, honesty and justice." But when Najib says that these were hollow words in politics, Barani can bear it no longer. His patience is exhausted and he bitterly tells Najib, "Your Hindu childhood has distorted your attitude beyond repair." His courage to tell the truth. Barani praises the Sultan's generous and kind deeds and doesn't approve of his killings and murders. When in the Battle of Kannauj the Sheikh is murdered and Ayunul Mulk is left off, Barani feels at the death of Sheikh Imamuddin and says it is a great loss to Islam. And when the stepmother and Barani do not approve of letting go of Ayunul Mulk, he congratulates the Sultan on his courage and says he, means Sultan, has shown that there are things more valuable than vengeance. A very moderate and temperate person. Barani is very moderate and temperate by nature. He doesn't want violence. When Ainul Mulk is reported marching against the Sultan, he first doesn't believe it. He knows that the Nawab is a great friend of Sultan. He advises the Sultan not to act hastily. He says, "There is obviously been some misunderstanding. You know, Ainul Mulk is a very good man. He worships you. He is not the treacherous type. You know that he is himself ready to go as the Sultan's envoy to Ainul Mulk." Doesn't like violence. Barani does not like violence. When the Amirs and Shahabuddin at prayer time in the Darbar-e-Khas draw out daggers to kill the Sultan, Barani is very much frightened. When the Sultan stabs Shahabuddin and mad in frenzy goes on stabbing him and hits out at Shahabuddin's dead body, Barani is horrified and cries, "Your Majesty, he is dead." So by nature, Barani doesn't like violence. He hates the violence. Conclusion. So in the play, Barani fails to understand the Sultan's political moves and strategies. The Sultan consults him on important matters, but he does not rely on Barani. He sarcastically remarks, Barani is a historian. He is only interested in playing chess with the shadows of the death. Sultan again says, surely a historian doesn't need any invitation to watch history take shape. So Barani is a historical personality. He has been taken from history, but Girish Karnad has suitably modified his character to suit his dramatic needs. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.